So I just got a new printhead, and this is what I advise. Anytime you get a new printhead, obviously they've put in some of this liquid stuff on the outside to keep the printhead clean. Go through your printhead, get a camera, get something and zoom close into that new printhead. This printhead, and this is what I've seen with several printheads now from these companies, and these are big name companies. But I want to make sure that I always keep some type of note, you know, just to show them that, you know, if this printhead goes out, you have something that you can at least show them. So as you can see, they just sent this to me, but I know that this printhead has been refurbished. It's been used before. As you can see, some of the white residue is still left over in there, right? You won't see that with just the normal eye though. Get you a camera, see how far you can zoom in there, and I'm guaranteeing you that you'll see there's some white in there, right? You can tell this printhead has been used before. It's refurbished. There's some white right there on the third 1, 2, 3 towards the middle. Some white on the end there. You can just tell, right? So they clean these printheads up, refurbish them, they resell them again. Even though it has this white sticker on there, it tells you it's a new printhead, but in all reality, they're just being cleaned and sold to us. You know, and it's pretty expensive. You're talking $600-700, sometimes, you know, $500, even unless you can find a deal. Here's some white right there too. And this is what they're selling us. This is what they're expecting us to buy, and then when they go out, they don't want to replace them because there's no warranty coverage. So we're spending another $600-700 to get a new one. So if you're replacing a printhead, the moment you get it in, please do yourself the favor, seriously, to get a camera, zoom in, and just take note of this. You can even send it back to the dealer to say, hey, look, this has been used before. It's been refurbished. I can tell it's not a brand new printhead. So should anything happen, I would like this to be on record so that we can have a replacement sent out at no cost should this printhead not work or go out. Because I've noticed that within this business that they're quick to tell us that, you know, that it's our fault, it's user error, but we're just not techie enough or care enough sometimes to look at these kind of issues when we first get these parts and pieces. So make sure that you, again, get a camera, whatever it is, zoom in, take pictures, take video. You can tell that this has been used before. It's just been cleaned really well. And so, not to say that refurbished parts don't work, but in the case that it doesn't, this right here will help you. And again, I've never used it. It just came in today. We're going to put it in and see what it does. But again, in the case, because it's happened now, this is my third printhead, and I wasn't doing this prior. Now I do. Hope that helps somebody.